cleaned this car yesterday before I went to work. When I woke up today, it was all gloomy, and I said, of course it's gonna rain now. Thankfully it cleared up. Don't you feel like you have the power to make it rain just by simply washing your car? I've had this car since July 2018 and still love the look of this car. It's kind of a goofy looking car, but it's just unique. Fuel prices are going up, and that's why I'm driving this car a lot more now. My birthday was last week. My friend Jonathan got this for me. The only other person at work who always works 50 and 60-hour weeks. But I really wanted one of these. I actually was going to get the cheap one, the $18 one. It just sits on top of the propane tank. This is a really nice one. It uses the little propane tanks right here. So a couple road trips ago, I had some cold Jack in the Box, and I was like, it would be really nice to be able to heat this right now. So I had to eat something else, but now I'm able to heat my food. I'll just put my food, wrap it in foil, put it on a pan, and heat it with this now. No need to get a microwave. I don't think my friend James knew it was my birthday, but that's my other good friend at work, and he got me this little food cooler. I have a few of these, but I'll go ahead and test this one out, make a video about this one. So my friend James just gave me this out of the kindness out of his heart. Isn't that sweet? Headed to 7-Eleven to get some food for work. Do you guys do this? You park your car, then you look back at it. Yeah, that's clean. Then you walk some more, then you're like, man, that's a nice car. It's a car guy thing to do. Got a couple of slices of 7-Eleven pizza, water, and some protein. A couple of months ago, I strained my shoulder really bad, and bench pressing has been a challenge. I haven't been able to bench with as much intensity as I would like, but I still did it anyway, and I finally just tried some icy hot patches on my shoulder, and like 95%, 90% of the pain is gone, and I'm able to bench press again. So that's what I want to do. I just turned 39. Before I hurt myself, I was busting out 225 for reps again, and then I hurt myself. I got overly anxious because I was benching 225 again. So now I'll be more patient, and yeah, I won't bench as much, so I won't hurt myself again. But when I turn 40, I would like to be busting out 225 for reps. I don't really care about max bench press anymore. Just 225 for reps. That's always a good standard to be able to bench 225. So yeah, if you're watching this, if you got to the end of the video and you like to bench press and you've gotten hurt before, what are some remedies just short of surgery that you guys have done? I wish I figured out icy hot patches on my shoulder a long time ago. I don't think it's torn because I work just fine. And the only time I feel pain is when I bench press, like that pressure when I'm pushing the bar up. That's the only time I feel pain. Other than that, I don't feel anything. So I think it's just a really bad strain, and I give it time to heal up. Maybe get some HGH injected into my shoulder. Alright, headed to work right now. Have a good one, everyone.